ရေတကုံရဲ့အစကိုရောက်ရှိလာခြင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်။လေရလိုက်တော့အောက်ကရေတွေကအောက်ကိုတော့ရောက်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ကားပတ်ထားခဲ့တာနေမှာပါOkay, let's go. Today, the fall is the Wairere Falls. So we will be going hike. So where we hike, same track return around 3 hours. So let's go. So this is what the fall. Welcome to Wairere Falls. Walking time to lockout 45 minutes. Walking time to summit 19 minutes. So return will be around 3 hours. Okay, let's go. So we will be here. So 4 track. So we will be go top lookout 1.5 13 minutes. So return same track. So it will be around 3 hours. So let's go. Yeah. There's so many big rock, so we need to be careful. So everywhere, big rock. We walking using with big rock. Okay, so this is our group. This is my friend. This is my friend. Another. So in. Breathtaking. ဒီမှာလုံးဝခြေကူးလေးရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာဆိုလုံးဝကျွန်တော်တို့I think so this we can swing from here. So this is really incredible. So we go see around. So people see. So okay. So we stay continue hiking. Okay. So let's go. Stay continuing. So stay got a bit far. Stay walking. It's so wet. So we come from there. Here's our group. So stay going. So the weather is really fine today. So the weather is really hot. So going to 26. So going to 30 minutes. So we can walk over 91.07. So 26. Okay. So we stay continue. Okay. Let's go. So follow me. It is really bigger than tallest fall in the North Island from New Zealand. So how is this? where we take a look. So this really need to be careful. So rock fall, dangerous. So large rock may fall from the cliff or rock. Okay, so this place need to be careful. So a little bit hard. Slowly, slowly. So lavi. So no lavi. So no do is it? Chiao le. Choi. It's really a bit sleepy. So this lake, so we need to go. So let's go. Yes. Stay far?
Yes.
Oh. So we are going up there. So we are stay high. So let's go. So the track is a bit high.
Sorry, no, I give you mine.
So big rock. Đó, dễ sinh như nào em tiền. What? So you go.
Okay.
So many. So they're really high. Keep going up. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. So she's really tired. So it's true. Okay. So almost 1 hour. So we're almost there. Let's stay going. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, brother. Got to be on it. So, start the clock. Next 45 minutes. Look up 1 minute. Look up. Waterfall. Finally. We are right. Waterfall. Lower lookout 嗰有位。So we will be going a minute. So we need to walk for 45 minutes. So we will let's stay connected. Really deep. So all the way is really high. So but a lot of people say what of that. So once you're tired and when we get in the point, so I hopefully she will be happy. So this is our group. So but stay keep going. So really deep. So we going all the way up. So okay, let's go. It's okay. She can do it. Yeah. Come here. Come. So you go. Xài mình không. Kêu đi. Yeah. Slowly. After 1 hour 40 minutes, so we are going to reach waterfall here. So we're going this way. So finally we are right 1 hour and 40 minutes because we're really tired. So the track is not really easy. I mean, so many rocks. So who don't experience? We made it almost. Finally. Thank you, brother. So now, really incredible. All of that. So almost. We just a few minutes left. So keep going. So, yay! We are right. Oh, so cool. So finally, almost 2 hours, I will be right there. So finally, this is really warm. So okay. Chúng tôi cũngတော်တော်တန်ဖိုးရှိတဲ့နေရာရောက်တော့ဗါလေဒီကောင်က New Zealand North Island မှာအမြင့်ဆုံးရေခဲတောင်ဖြစ်ပါရေခဲတောင်တော့ဖြစ်သွားပြီအမြင့်ဆုံးWaterfall လို့တင်စားကြတယ်ဗော North Island မှာ ကျွန်တော် North Island South Island ဖြစ်တယ် North Island New Zealand မှာကျွန်တော်တို့အကြီးဆုံးWaterfall အမြင့်ဆုံး Waterfall ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်ခုနအောက်ကနေရိုက်ပြခဲ့တဲ့မြင်ကွင်းလိုပဲအဲ့အပေါ်ဆုံးကျွန်တော်တို့ကရောက်ရှိနေတာပေါ့နော် Really incredible So like ဒါကကျွန်တော်နဲ့အတူတူခုမြင်ရမယ့်မြင်ကွင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒါကကျွန်တော်ရေတကုံရဲ့အစကိုရောက်ရှိလာခြင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်လေရမ်းလိုက်တော့အောက်ကရေတွေကအောက်ကိုတော်တော်ရောက်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ကားပတ်ထားခဲ့တာဒီမှာပါ So car park is from there so like so we are now here so ဒါကကျွန်တော်တို့အခု waterfall အစကိုရောက်သွားပါတယ်အခုဆိုရင် starting point ကိုရောက်နေပါပြီကျွန်တော်တို့အခုဆိုရင် really dangerous so I not recommend it who really scared at height so this is really hairy place and dangerous place so be careful and very slippery and then really scary so this is what is the what we can see the view so really nice so okay let's go so now we go this way really incredible after 30 minutes we are rested then we taking photo and video and then we resting then so we going back to car park so and then the same way track so we'll be around 1.5-2 so now we are all the way go down so this waterfall is really nice really incredible so so I will go hike around New Zealand because New Zealand is really incredible place so now we are going back to car park so I'm really tired I check in from Google this track is a easy track but no it's like in time with truck who have not exercise so trying to exercise first before you come in this waterfall so but you want to look at the lower lookout so it's fine but you want to go up the waterfall beginning so this really hard place so you need to be careful all the way so many rock and big slippery and then rock fall dangerous so many so okay see you next video so please wait where I going next hiking so okay see you bye bye ဆက်ဆင်းရမယ်အခုကျွန်တော်တို့ကပ်မှတ်ပြန်ရအောင်ခွေးကျွန်တော်တို့ we are done